Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about the concept of open circuit and short circuit. Okay, so first we will start with your open circuit. Okay, so what is open circuit? So at the time of open circuit, the resistance of that particular circuit element approaches to infinity. Okay, so it can occur due to multiple reasons. Okay, for example, disconnection of that particular element. Okay, disconnection, or like when the switch is turned off. Okay, switch is off, so at that point, at that particular time, so basically what we can see is at that particular time the resistance of that particular circuit element approaches to infinity. Okay, as we know, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I times of R. So it means that your current will be equal to V by R. Since R is approaching to infinity, it means that I will be equal to V by infinity, that will be equal to 0. So the value of the current at the time of short circuit will be equal to 0 amperes. So this is an important condition which you need to remember. So during the time of your short circuit, during the time of open circuit, okay, the current in that particular circuit element approaches to 0 amperes. Okay, so the next one we have is in case of your short circuit. Okay, in case of short circuit, so in case of short circuit, what we can see is the resistance of that particular circuit element approaches to, so the resistance basically, okay, so the resistance of that particular circuit element approaches to 0. So it can also happen due to multiple reasons. For example, like your faults in that particular network, or your like wrong connections of wire. Okay, so according to Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I times of R. Since R is approaching to 0, it means that the voltage that we will get will be equal to 0 volts. Okay, so at the time of short circuit, maximum amount of current flows in that particular circuit. So you need to remember a condition that at the time of short circuit, okay, so the voltage across that particular element, so voltage of that particular circuit element approaches to 0 volts. Okay, so these are the two concepts that you need to remember, and we will apply the concept of open circuit and short circuit whenever we will solve numerical problems. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.